Hey guys, Asia here, and I'm a working student at the content creator, and I'm also trying this new TikTok live. I'm really a shy, introverted type of person, but I promised myself this year that I'm going to do my best to overcome my fears, and this is one of my fears. So come with me in my journey of being a TikTok live streamer. So I'll be posting every time that I do live, and I hope also you can be part of my team or my family as a live streamer, and you know how I progress, and I don't know what will happen, to be honestly, but yeah, you can join me in my first ever live this Saturday po. Thank you. I think this is around 2 a.m. and I just tried doing TikTok live. So this is just for practice, guys, because I wanted to know how I would look like and the settings that I needed to do. And I'm very confident at this time that no one's going to watch me, so I just want to practice, honestly. There, I'm just like trying to imagine that, you know, there are viewers, ganyan, and yeah, so I'm just trying to talk whatever it is. I screen record using my iPhone though, and for some reason, I don't know, I can't hear my voice, so that's my issue here. Hindi ko marinig kung ano yung sinasabi ko, hindi ko pa rin alam, so I'm not sure. I will have to figure it out by Saturday. Yan. Grabe guys, nakaka-conscious pala to pag nagla-live ka, most especially pag hindi ka pasanay. So medyo, ayan, tinitignan ko lang, and then, hindi kasi ako familiar sa mga buttons na kailangan mong i-press dito or kung anong mangyayari or what will happen if I press this kind of button or something. And then this time, I got really shocked that someone joined the live. As you can see my reaction, I was like super shy. Nahiya talaga ako kasi, hala, anong nangyayari? Parang may mga nag-join na viewers na. And then ganun pala siya, parang drop, mag-increase ng madami, and then parang ganun lang siya. Ang weird ng feeling. Nakaka-conscious, pero parang, basta tignan yung itsura ko dito. Oh my God. Nakakatawa yung tsura ko. I think at this time, parang sinasabi ko, guys, parang you can leave na, I'm just practicing. Ayan, tapos biglang nagbababay na ako kasi yung iya na ako. Siya, hindi ko alam kung ano yung isasabihin ko, ganyan. So, yan, ganun lang, nagbababay na ako, and then sinasabi ko lang na, you can join me this Saturday po, ganyan. And then here, ayun, may mga nagla-like na nung live ko. So, ano ba to? Ano bang pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko? What am I doing here? Pero, ayun lang guys. Yung gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo what I've been doing, and yeah, trying to learn here. There. Here guys, na-nervous na talaga ako. So, ang ginawa ko, close ko na yung TikTok na application and stuff, because I don't know how to pause or to stop the live. Yeah, that's it. Muntik na ako mamatay guys. Saan pong kakayanin ko tong pagda-live? Fighting.